a good life. The first private space shuttle soon to be available to everyone.
But won't tickets be like $1 million each?
Available to everyone rich. Millionaires will pay millions. And since I paid rock bottom to build this thing, I'll make billions.
Ew! What is that, Daddy?
Ah! Rainbow Rangers! Even in outer space, those rotten little...
Watch your mouth, Preston Praxton. BB tapped into your communication system. We can hear every word you say.
Then hear this. Unless you have vast sums of money for a ticket, get off my space shuttle!
Your space shuttle's falling apart!
Is the shuttle really falling to bits, Daddy?
Oh, please. The Rangers are shaking it to scare us. We're fine.
But I see sparks!
Disco lights.
You have to fly the shuttle home. It's too dangerous out here.
Lies. My shuttle is the greatest, most cutting-edge spacecraft ever built. It's in perfect shape.
No more talk. I'll push this back myself.
Sorry, Rosie. No gravity, no strength power.
Seriously? Space is overrated.
But we have scooter power.
Yes! Let's give it a shot. 3, 2, 1.